Alright, what's up, y'all? So, last time I touched the engine, I cleaned it up, honed the cylinders, and now I'm gonna wire reel all the gaskets, surface areas, you know, get them all cleaned up, and then we're gonna tape it up for paint. So I went to Harbor Freight and gas over here. Hold on. Alright, went to Harbor Freight. Picked up this assortment of wire wheel brushes. It's like $5. So yeah, open this up, stick it on the drill, and start cleaning this up. All right, here we go. I forgot my vacuum has a blower too on it. So use that, blow some of this nasty some of the gaskets out, and there it is. Alright, so there it is. Cleaned up all the gasket surface area. And there. I didn't do the other side yet. I can show you. See it? Still there. So do both sides. Do this area where timing cover goes. And then we'll tape it up. So tape up, obviously, everything like where your gaskets will go. I'm gonna paint this. I'm gonna tape it up, set the heads on, and paint it with the heads on it. But I still want to tape up this surface, and then put the heads on it, and then paint it like that. So yeah, we'll get to that. Alright, so gonna finish taping up the block and the heads and everything else, getting it prepped ready for paint. Here's everything now. Got my two heads, the block. I'm gonna paint the valve covers, paint the oil pan, and some just brackets and stuff, just the timing cover there. Just things to make the engine a little bit more appealing and pop. Not gonna say what color I'm painting it, so we just have to keep watching the video to see. But definitely still got a lot of prepping to do before I even get there and degreasing. But yeah, I'm gonna get on here to the shop and get this stuff unloaded and so we can start getting this thing ready for paint. Alright, I'm here. Let's go ahead and unload the truck, get everything out, laid out, and start prepping. Mount this back on the stand. This is how I got it in the truck too. I just rolled it on the stand, lifted it up a little bit, and set it on the bed. Oh, I might want to pull these out. Alright, I got one threaded in there. Alright, should be ready. Come on. Perfect. Alright, now I said I was going to put the heads on and paint it. Put the heads on the block and paint it, but I changed my mind. I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna paint the heads off the block, just tape it up. I got like a little stand, so yeah. Same with the oil pan. I'm not gonna bolt the oil pan on there and paint it. I'm just gonna tape it up. I don't feel like doing that. But yeah. Let's get everything ready. I'm gonna tape the heads up. I think I'm gonna degrease this engine a little bit more because the tape wasn't sticking that well. So yeah, we'll do that last. Let's get everything else prepped and ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna tape up all this surface area where everything I don't want obviously paint to get on, where the gaskets and all that stuff goes. So let's do that. Yeah, let me clean this off with some lacquer thinner, and then hopefully the tape will stick better. So. This is one head done. Everything covered that I don't want to get paint on. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other one. Alright, so the head's done. Next I'm gonna get this oil pan here cleaned up and taped up so we can paint that next. Okay, just like center ahead, I'm gonna clean up the gasket area with some lacquer thinner and probably do a quick wipe around the whole thing with lacquer thinner. And then we're gonna tape this up. Alright, next on my list, I'm gonna do the valve covers. I'm gonna take those stickers off there. And then, yeah. Okay, valve covers here. Just taped up simple stuff. Obviously, they're gonna go the same color as the oil pan, so I got those sitting there. I don't know how much more battery I got left on this camera. So, for the rest of the parts, just some miscellaneous parts that I figure if I paint it, you know, make it look nicer to the eye. So, for the rest of these, I'm just going to get them all ready, and I'm not going to film it because I want to make sure I got enough battery left on this camera for actually painting. So, yeah, next shot is going to be me, everything's done, ready, and we're going to get the rolling. Alright, everything is good to go. Oil pan, taped up there, valve covers, some miscellaneous parts, tensioner, harmonic balancer, I believe, timing cover, just a whole bunch of random stuff I figured I'd paint as well. Here goes the block. It's all taped up, ready to go. And the heads. Let's get to mixing this paint. Alright, so the camera died on me last night, so I don't have any footage clearing it, but I can show you guys the finished product here. Yeah, I got home late, so I just left it in the bed of the truck. But here's the heads, block. Oil pan there. The valve covers. Timing cover here. This is the alternator AC bracket. Balancer, one of the pulleys. This is the tensioner. Let me show you guys how the black and orange go with the valve covers on it. Yeah, that's gonna look real nice. You know, I didn't want to just go everything orange. I wanted some like accent colors. So that's gonna look real good. Alright, yeah, that's it. Y'all, thanks for watching.